Yeah.
There you go.
Mine is my map. Here you'll see our flamingos to your right. We have more than 50 flamingos and 2 different species. We have American and Chilean, American being the dark pink and Chilean are the light pink.
That's cool.
Coming up, we have our condors and our bald eagle. Did you know that a condor's wingspan can get up to 10 feet long? It is one of the largest flying land birds in the Western Hemisphere. The bald eagle is one of the largest raptors and can reach speed up to 100 miles per hour while diving. Here we have our How Far You Can Jump station where you can test your ability to jump far like some popular animals. And the building to the right is Birdwood, and we don't just have birds in there, we also have our family of sloths in there. So if you go in to go see our sloths, make sure to look up because they're like hanging up high in the trees. Here we are at our first crossing. Let's all say choo choo. Choo choo. Coming up, we have our pachyderm habitat, home to Rudy the rhino and Macaulay the hippo. Did you know that hippos are semi-aquatic, and even though they live on land, they do spend most of their time in the water? Rudy is a black rhino. Black rhinos have a pointed lip which help them collect leaves and fruit from branches. And it looks like it's such a nice day today that they're going to be in their outside enclosure.
One more engine.
Yeah, for right now, the tractor.
Or one more.
Coming up to the right is our golden kettle. The golden kettle makes popcorn for the whole entire zoo. To the right is our Monkey Island where our capuchin monkeys go and play. Did you know that they get over there by an underground tunnel?
You're so excited, huh?
Here we are at our second crossing. Let's all say choo choo. Welcome back, riders. Please remain sitting until the ride comes all the way to a complete stop. Once it does, you can exit to your right towards the front of the train. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at the Denver Zoo.
Well, in this episode of Large Person Wanderings, Tomi and I took a ride on the Denver Zoo train at the Denver Zoo. It's a lot of fun. It was worth riding on. Always a good time to go play some trains. It's a little cramped to ride on, but definitely worth it. It's neat to see the toucans on the right hand side. And as always, thank you for coming along with our journeys. My name is Jerome Kress, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you'd like us to make a film somewhere else, please do leave us some comments. And have a good day. Jerome signing.